all today. Welcome back to my channel.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Strolling in the park and watching winter turn to spring.
So today's video is going to be the very highly requested room tour. हर वीडियो के नीचे ये कमेंट हमेशा होता है, रूम टूर कब आएगा, रूम टूर कहाँ है. So this is the room tour and we're going to start with that section because that's where you enter from. So without further ado, let's get started. So this side has a very nice hanger that I painted white. ये originally orange था. So white just to go with the entire room and everything. And this has all of the stoles, scarves, mufflers, everything that you need when you're just walking out. It also has a cap over here. And then right here is like a pin-up board जिसमें स्कूल की सारी photos हैं. तो जब स्कूल से हम सब pass out हो रहे थे farewell पे, तो I made this entire thing and it's got these butterflies as a decoration के लिए. So this cupboard is my nani's. ऊपर वाला shelf अभी भी नानी का ही है. The second one has all of my jewelry. So whatever trinkets I buy सब यहाँ पे आ जाता है. Necklaces, earrings, bracelets, sunglasses, rings, everything's kept in here. और ये अभी आपको लग रहा होगा कि कितना messy है. But this is actually very nicely organized. And then here I have all of my camera equipment and some folders, random stuff. This is not important. So this is the first cupboard. And इसके नीचे यहाँ पे I have all of my footwear. So footwear and art supplies. In case you don't know, I was a fine art student स्कूल में. So सारा फाइन आर्ट्स का सामान यहाँ पे है. स्केच पेन्स, पेंट्स, ब्रशेस और नीचे सारा फुटवेयर है जो कि आप लोग देखते रहते हैं. इफ़ यू नॉट फॉलोइंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें वहाँ डालती हूँ, तो डेफिनेटली मेक श्योर यू फॉलो. दिस अगेन इज नानीज कबर्ड. तो ऊपर वाला आई विल नॉट ओपन बिकॉज दैट्स हर स्टफ, बट हियर आई हैव ऑल ऑफ माई क्लोथ्स. सो ये अभी फिलहाल समर के क्लोथ्स आई हैव डिस्प्लेड मतलब हंग अप हियर. Because winter ke I haven't really brought down. Upar we have another storage area, so all the off-season clothes are up there, but I do have to do the transition very soon. So I have all of my tops over here. Here all of the t-shirts are kept and some jeans are over here and then these are the bottoms. तो काफ़ी अच्छे से arranged है. अभी आपको शायद ना लग रहा हो, but in my mind everything's organized very well. तो इसके अंदर हम ज़्यादा dive नहीं करेंगे because ये आप वैसे ही दिखते रहते हो in all of the videos and all. तो and this is for like some other day because बहुत ज़्यादा फिर extensive हो जाएगा. अच्छा, so this one right here has all of the other footwear. So heels, flats, bellies, all of those are over here. Okay, next section right here is the bed and we have 3 paintings hung up ऊपर bed के. So these 3 are from, actually the frames are from a completely different brand. I think I got these from Desi Pop. और इनके अंदर बहुत ही ऐसे bright colored paintings थी जो आपने शायद पहले की videos में कहीं ना कहीं देखी होंगी. But then when I redid the whole room, I wanted to go for a very Scandinavian look. तो मैंने बहुत ही minimalistic इसमें डाल दी paintings. ये print मैंने नेहरू प्लेस से कराई थी. A friend of mine and I, we went to get these printed. And yeah, काफ़ी ऐसे airy, breathable vibe आती है because तीनों leaves की हैं, if you guys can see clearly. और थोड़ा color scheme भी goes with the wall and everything. तो black and white, I just wanted something very simple. I want to talk about this little plant that I have right here. I named it Shelly and जो plant pot है उसका नाम है George. So you can say hi to Shelly and George in a while. But I just put on some lights ताकि वो video के time, because I film in this background, तो वो videos में just looks a little nice, little peppy. So that's the reason all of that is going on. And I have this throw blanket right here. ये throw blanket I got from Amazon. They have it in a bunch of colors. जिन भी products के मेरे को links मिलेंगे मैं description box में डाल दूँगी. So this one is really nice and comfortable. I got this also from Amazon. This is like a duvet cover जो मैंने ऐसे bedsheet की तरह बिछाया हुआ है. And this part right here, I have 2 bed boxes, one and then the other one is there. इसमें I have all of my dresses, green screen, some other bedding stuff and some stationery, diary stuff. So काफ़ी सारा सामान है इसके अंदर अगर आप देखना चाहें, but mainly bedding stuff and all, like extra bed covers, pretty basic stuff. And then I also have Uno and all kept over here. Okay, moving on to this one. I have all of my bags over here जो कि अभी ढंग से अरेंज नहीं है क्योंकि कल मैं कहीं गई थी और मैंने सारे बैग्स ऐसे ऐसे कर दिए थे. बट काफ़ी सारे इसके अंदर बैग्स हैं. अब जब सारे स्वेटर्स आ जाएंगे तो वो भी यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे. सो आई हैव टू मेक स्पेस फॉर द स्वेटर्स बट इट्स रियली ह्यूज. इफ यू गाइस सी ये पूरा खाली हो जाएगा, ये सारे बैग्स उधर चले जाएंगे. तो काफ़ी सारे स्टोरेज है बिकॉज द रूम एनीवे सो स्मॉल. सो आई डू हैव टू बैलेंस इट आउट. एंड इतना सारा सामान है तो स्टोरेज के लिए आई हैव ट्राई टू अकोमोडेट एवरीथिंग इनटू दिस स्पेस. तो इसलिए आप देख सकते हैं हर जगह एक्स्ट्रा स्टोरेज कहीं ना कहीं बिल्ट इन है. एंड बेड बॉक्सेस आर लाइक अ टोटल लाइफ सेवियर. Okay, now this section over here is very special to me because ये अभी आया है थोड़े दिन पहले. इसके पहले there used to be another shelf over here. I don't know if you guys remember, but पुरानी videos में वही था. So this is pretty much new. तो शरी के साइड में पड़ा हुआ है. एंड नीचे आई हैव सम पैकेजेस दैट हैव कम इन एज PR और एज स्टफ दैट आई ऑर्डर ऑनलाइन, तो वो सब नीचे ऐसे पड़ा हुआ है फिलहाल. बट हियर बेसिकली वी गोना स्टार्ट ऑफ विद द टॉप सेक्शन. आई हैव माई साइटेशन सेरेमनी पे जो स्कूल देता है, लाइक अ नाइस प्लाक एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड आई हैव अनदर वन ओवर हियर. And this I got from some place I don't remember, but it looks really cute. This is a bag I got from Amazon. इसका भी link I'll put in the description box. Really nice. I just like to hang it up over here. And जब भी ऐसे बाहर जा रहे हो तो ये बैग ऐसे ले लो. Just some decor stuff is going on over here. इसके बारे में मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ऐसे नहीं describe कर सकती, but just some books that I like reading and a box with all of my stuff that I can't find any other place for. वो सब इसमें पड़ा रहता है. Papers, all other trinkets and all. And these are just okay, this is my favorite. This actually I got from I think Mumuso. So this is a reed diffuser. It used to smell so good. This is actually in the fragrance Fougere Woody. Now this one is from Miniso again, 2 shelves. Again, as I said, storage की यहाँ पे बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ती रहती है. So this just has pens, pencils, some mosquito repellents. इसमें I have coasters. This one has some more books that I love reading. Especially the Kite Runner is there. I have How to Be a Boss by Lily Singh. A lot of Soka Gakkai books are also over here. And we also have this lamp that I got from Hong Kong. Unka airport pe I saw this and I was like, you know what, this is so pretty, I need to get it. And this actually works like that. So you tap it and it changes its intensity. So that is something I like. And यहाँ पे tripod भी पड़ा हुआ है for all my filming purposes. तो जब भी film करना होता है ये background होता है और tripod सामने होता है, then I film. So this is from Pepperfry and I got it recently. Really love it. And the wood color and all is really like going with the theme of the room. It's all brown, beige, white. Alright, now this is my favorite section. This is where all the magic happens, and by magic I mean studying, editing, all of that stuff. So very nice table. I actually borrowed it from my mamu when he shifted to India. This basically has 2 drawers over here. इसमें I have all of my stationery supplies and some Orbit. ये पूरा Orbit का डब्बा है. In case you ever want to gift me something, please give me lime Orbit. And then some staplers, some random things. Do not disturb का भी sign पड़ा हुआ है यहाँ पे, just in case. Then moving on to this part, I have some sheets of paper. So rough paper, fair paper, some calendars, dictionaries, all that stuff. It's all in here. French dictionary, English dictionary, Hindi dictionary, सब अंदर है. तो काफ़ी ऐसे literate इंसान हूँ मैं, just in case you're wondering. And यहाँ पे we have a printer. There's a laptop. Oh, sticky notes. I love sticky notes, you guys. हर चीज़ sticky note पे मैं लिख के ऐसे कहीं ना कहीं लगा देती हूँ. And then moving on to this part, there's this lamp that is from Philips. There's this Inspire का board that I really liked. I went to the stationery fair and I loved it. जब मैंने देखा, I was like, this is so nice. It also looks really good behind all the videos, like पीछे background में. So that's why I got that. Again, the frame is wooden, so goes with the entire wooden vibe of the room. And this a friend of mine gave from Maryland, US. I absolutely love it. इसमें सारे ऐसे pens, pencils सब पड़ा हुआ है. This is just Ganeshi का एक वो idol. Here mom's photo, and I have a cuckoo clock from Germany right over here. We got this from the Black Forest region, the Black Forest area that they have there. Then we have a calendar. Oh, and then I have a little mug that I got from school. Again, जब graduate होते हैं school से तो they give this. My friends and I were volunteering at this NGO, My Angels Academy, and they gave this to us. Thank you so much, you guys. And इसके अंदर मैंने फिलहाल ये रखा हुआ है. But this is really good for all the flat lay pictures that I click for Instagram. ये काफ़ी काम आता है. So that's why I have this kept over here. And then over here under the glass, we have a lot of postcards, a lot of posters kept. And छोटे छोटे ऐसे जो notes important होते हैं, some quotes are over here. और ये chair है इसके साथ जो मैंने I became very creative this one day. जब मैं इसे spray paint खरीद के लाई थी तो मैंने ये green color की chair थी जिससे मैंने white spray paint कर दिया था. That's why थोड़ा थोड़ा green का tinge आता है अभी भी उसमें, but really comfortable. And then this pillow, इसका ये जो cover आप देख सकते हो, ये this is from Dilli Haat, I believe. So this again is just, this is very basic, nothing very fancy about this. Now this is the dressing table. This again is new. I think we just got it last year, 1 साल हुआ है. So it's not new but it's like kind of new. तो इसके ऊपर भी fairy lights लगाई हुई हैं और इन fairy lights का so I'll just tell you, they're battery operated, so you don't have to plug it in. But the thing is ये बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाती है. I got these from Amazon. आधा कमरा तो Amazon का बना हुआ है. I will leave a link नीचे. So this basically has 6 drawers, and यहाँ पे first of all I'll just talk about this. I have some random stuff, PR packages, very basic stuff. अच्छा, this one has all of my phone का stuff, so like and like extra passport covers and some. Oh, this is a mixtape that my friend made for me on my birthday. Thank you, Sukanya. So this also has some pop sockets. just random stuff, yeah, phone covers and all. And then this one over here has all of my makeup. So foundations, primers, eyeliners, mascaras, bronzer, highlighters, everything is in there. This one has eyeshadows and lipsticks. ऊपर वाले drawers are really, because I have to keep opening them, तो इसलिए मैंने ऐसी चीज़ें जो मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ ऊपर पड़ी हुई हैं. This one has all my like pouches, extra wallets, whatever I'm not using at the moment is all stuffed in here. This one over here has nail paints and also makeup that I'm not using at the moment is right here पीछे इसके. Oh, and also a Santa hat. I was filming a video with TOI last year, so we had to get the Santa hat because Christmas related video था. उसके बाद से मैंने कभी ये use नहीं किया. Last section over here has my hair curler, hair straightener, another makeup bag, all of that stuff, and also an umbrella. Okay, now this section over here has again all of my makeup brushes and some makeup mist, foundation. I also have a body cream over here, body lotion, and makeup brushes. Mein basically all of my face brushes are here and my eye brushes are over here. So very well organized. If you guys want an entire vanity tour, let me know. And this one is just like a makeup pouch that I carry all the time. ये हमेशा bag में होता है. इसमें BB cream है, mascara है, all of the stuff which I need like very often. All of that is here. This my dad gave me. It's from New Zealand and इसमें there's a kiwi bird जो उनकी national bird होती है. And this is just a little mirror which I needed, like a dressing table mirror. So yeah, that's basically about the dressing table. The carpet going on here is from Surajkund or from Delhi Haat, one of the two. So this is the part where you entered from. This is basically the last part that I'm going to talk about. इसके अलावा कुछ रह नहीं गया इस कमरे में. This is just something very cute I got from Archie's. ये बहुत पुराना है. I think I was like in 6th, 7th grade when I got this. And here we have a chair in case somebody comes to the room because sofa तो नहीं है. There's no seating arrangement, बस bed है because it's a small room. So when somebody comes, they can sit here. अभी फिलहाल इस पे मेरा college bag पड़ा हुआ है. So yeah, this was about it. This is my room. I really hope you guys enjoyed. सारे links description box में होंगे. आप लोग बहुत टाइम से request कर रहे थे room tour. So this is the room tour. I genuinely hope आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा हो. छोटा कमरा है, but I've tried to make it very cozy. I do film here, eat here, edit here, study here. Everything goes on over here. So that's that. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below letting me know what other videos you want to watch. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I also go live on Instagram very often, so my ID is over here. Make sure you have a look, and if you like it, you can definitely follow and we can have a chit chat sometime soon. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.